Okay, welcome back to another episode of diffusion in gases. We have another example here. We shall be looking at which of these gases have the highest rate of diffusion. Now in this case we have four compounds, four gases. The first one is carbon 4 oxide, the second is ammonia, the third is hydrogen chloride, and then we have nitrogen as a nitrogen gas, where nitrogen exists as a diatomic molecule. So first of all, for carbon dioxide, we write it as CO2 solution. So CO2 is for carbon dioxide. Ammonia is written as NH3. It has a molecular formula NH3. Hydrogen chloride is having molecular formula as HCl, and nitrogen as a gas it exists as N2 gas. Now, for each of these gases, first of all, we need to take note that for carbon is 12, oxygen has relative atomic mass of 16, nitrogen relative atomic mass of 14, we have hydrogen is having 1, what else again? We have chlorine. So chlorine is 35.5. Now these relative atomic masses of elements will help you to determine which of the gases diffuses faster. Now let's get to business. For CO2, we have carbon which is 12 plus oxygen. Oxygen is 16 and we have 2 of it. So that makes 12 plus 32, which gives us 44. The next is ammonia. Ammonia is having relative atomic mass of 14 and we have 1 N and 3 hydrogen. So plus 3 times 1, which makes 14 plus 3, giving us 17 for ammonia. The next is hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen is 1 plus chlorine gives us 35.5 relative atomic mass. So adding both, we have 36.5. And then finally for nitrogen gas, nitrogen is 14 and we have 2 of it. That makes And then for nitrogen, we have nitrogen to be 14 and we have 2 of it. That makes 14 times 2, giving us 28. Now, at the end of the day, we are going to compare the values of the relative molecular masses of the compounds. Now, for the first one, we have 44 for CO2. The second one, we had 17 for ammonia. The third one, we had 36.5 for hydrogen chloride. And finally, we have 28 for nitrogen gas. Now, let's compare. The lowest amongst all of them is 17, which represents ammonia. So that is to tell us that the gas that is having the highest rate of diffusion, that will diffuse faster, is ammonia. Why? It is having the least weight, the least molecular weight, the least molecular mass. And then most times in the exam you will be asked which of the gases will diffuse slower. It is one that is having the greatest molecular mass. In this case, we will give it to CO2. You see, it is the highest amongst all, having 44. So ultimately, this is the answer to this question. Ammonia diffuses faster amongst all the gases. Thank you very much. Just to remind you, if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell and like my videos. Also, if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say a big thank you for following me and watching my videos. Thank you very much. See you next time.